crazy dog?
I'm gonna get you, little kitty.
Yeah, get her, Ruff. Ha ha.
It looks like we have to do the final devotion for the week. Devotion 25.
Boaz was at the city gate, and such a one came by. Boaz had him sit down, and then he gathered 10 men of the elders of the city. Court was now in session. At that point, Boaz began to explain why he was there and what he wanted. He told the relative that there was a piece of land for sale, offered by the widow of Elimelech. This relative was first in line to buy it since he was the nearest living relative to the family. The men quickly agreed to do so, but then Boaz pulled the ace out of his sleeve. Ruth 4, verse 5. Then said Boaz, What day thou buyest the field of the land of Naomi, thou must buy it also of Ruth, the Moabitess, the wife of the dead, to raise up the name of the dead upon his inheritance. When such a one found out that he would have to marry Ruth in order to buy the piece of land, his tune suddenly changed.
Ruth 4:6. And the kinsman said, I cannot redeem it for myself, lest I mar my own inheritance. Redeem thou my right to thyself, for I cannot redeem it. When the man said that marrying Ruth would mar his inheritance, he used a word of extreme disgust. He was practically throwing up on the ground at the thought of marrying Ruth. But why was he so cold toward her when Boaz was so fond of her? Orpah. There were 2 young widows needing kinsmen redeemers, and there were 2 potential kinsmen redeemers available. Ruth was for Boaz, such a one was for Orpah. If she had come, God could have softened this man's heart toward her, just like he softened Boaz's heart toward Ruth. Do remember that there is always enough for you, and God will, even if you cannot see it. Ruth came to Bethlehem and found her kinsman redeemer, Orpah said in Moab, and Mr.
Wow, I never thought about that story in that light.
Quite so, Sir Fish. Well, friends, have a blessed day.